Now we've got this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster here in the paint protection film department. We're going to be going over giving this car complete coverage, meaning we're going to add our paint protection film over all the painted surfaces as well as all the carbon fiber pieces throughout the car, which on this car is a lot. So now that all the paint protection film has been applied to all the painted and carbon fiber parts of the vehicle, it's back over here into our coating department, and these guys are applying our Fine Lab ceramic coating. So 3 of the key benefits for ceramic coating your paint protection film are going to be the enhanced gloss, the environmental protection, and the ease of maintenance. The first being the enhanced gloss. So with the ceramic coating, it's going to just add a really, really bright, nice shine to any of the paint protection film that it's applied to from front to back. Just kind of giving you that extra crisp look to it. The second key benefit to ceramic coating is going to be the environmental protection side. So the ceramic coating is going to bond to the paint protection film surface and give you that environmental protection against things like water spots, etching, bird droppings, all those things that would typically stain your paint or a PPF. It's going to help eliminate that and prevent that in the future. And lastly, and most importantly, is going to be the ease of maintenance aspect. So once you have a ceramic coating on there and it's properly cured, that ceramic coating is going to be extremely hydrophobic, meaning that it's not going to allow debris, pollen, dirt, even water to stick to the vehicle. And the ceramic coating is not just limited to the paint. You can also choose to apply it to things like glass, plastic trim, even wheels and calipers to make sure you get those same benefits and ease of maintenance on those areas of the car as you do the painted surfaces.